So, hello. There is a recent development. I think Nigerian Army are really doing well recently. There's this post that was published by Zogazola, a security analyst on X. Let me just show you the post, then you look at. You can see the young man on the screen. He is a 23-year-old young man that he surrendered to Nigerian Army. Why did he surrender? And just stick around because I will tell you why he surrendered. And is Nigerian Army really winning, or is another content? So let me just show it. Let me show you the post. You can see this is the post by Zogazola Makama. He said Boko Haram fighter surrender to Boko Haram fighter surrenders with AK-47 26 rounds in Borno. So this is the post. Let's look at the content of the post. He said a 23-year-old suspected Boko Haram fighter identified as Ali Sadiki has surrendered to troops in Borno State with an AK-47 rifle and 26 rounds of ammunition as sustained military pressure continued to weaken terrorist network in the Lake Chad region. Wow, this is a good one. He said this young man, let me show you another of his picture. He said this very young man is 23 years old and he willingly surrendered to Nigeria Army as Nigeria Army are mounting so much pressure now. He was left with no choice but to surrender. This is a good development that Nigeria Army are winning. So you can see this is him here. Look at the rifle in front of him. Look at him sitting. He willingly surrendered. Do we now call this willingly now, or when the pressure is much and you're left with no option and you surrender? Is that really willingly? Anyways, he surrendered, and according to the report by Makama, he says Sadiq is a native of Jarawa in Kokowa local government area of Borno State. He surrendered about 4:45 p.m. on August 20th during a stop and search operation conducted by the troops of 196 Amphibious Battalion and the Nigerian Army Brigade Lake Chad at Kwanta Alkama checkpoint. This is an interesting development, and they say the suspect voluntarily surrendered one AK-47 rifle with a registered number 02657 and magazine loaded with 26 rounds. Wow, this is an interesting one. The preliminary indicate they are still investigating the matter to discover what. They say the suspect is currently at the military custody. So the bottom line is this is an interesting development, and we give kudos to the Nigerian Army. We hope for more win ahead and great victory for those that are putting their life in line for all of this, and for those that are making the country uninhabitable for us. What do we pray for them now?